Hello friends, today we are doing names of animals through flashcards. This is lesson number 20, and before starting let me introduce myself to you. I'm Sangita from Easy French, and young ones of animals we have already done. It's in the shorts, the links are there in the description box. Go through it. So let's start. So these are very common animals. So first one is cat in English, and in French a chat. How we pronounce it as un chat. Next is dog, un chien, un chien. Next is elephant, which is un éléphant, un éléphant. Next is a pig. So pig will be un cochon, un cochon. Monkey, a monkey will be un sage, un sage. This is J, the pronunciation, the j sound. So I write this J. It is not z. It will be j as in pleasure. Okay. So un sage. Then a giraffe. In French, une girafe. Une girafe. Here also that J sound. Je. Next is a horse. That means a cheval in French. A lion in English. In French, un lion, un lion. Next is a bear, un ours, un ours. Next is a rabbit, will be un lapin, un lapin. A sheep will be un mouton, un mouton. A kangaroo in English will be a kangaroo, a kangaroo. Next is a donkey, an nan, an nan. A camel will be a chameau, a chameau. An ox, a buff, a buff. A tiger in English will be a tigre, a tigre. A hippopotamus will be an hippopotam, an hippopotam. Next is a rhinoceros will be a rhinoceros, a rhinoceros. And see, there's an ague over this E. So be careful. In English, a wolf will be a loo, a loo. Next is a fox, a renard, a renard. Next is a mouse is yun suhri, yun suhri. So guys, before ending the lesson, a small request that please like the video. Don't forget to put your valuable comments and share the video, and do subscribe. Thank you for that. And let's finish. So a zebra will be a zebra, a zebra. Next is a cow will be une vache. And a goat in French will be une chèvre, une chèvre. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.